welcome to this video. In this video, we'll explain what is the B character in front of string character. And first, we need to know when we use the B string on this B character in front of string. For instance, we want to send a string in socket programming. We need to format the string to byte string. Byte string means it's of the character will be converted or translated to a byte according to the ASCII table. So now let's try open a new Python. So first thing, we need to differentiate between the byte string, byte coded string or binary. So the both will be different. So first we need to define the for one. Like that, and we need to define for 2. And now we need to compare those two. You see it will return false because the binary of 1 and byte encoded string of 1 is different. The var1 and var2 is different. So now let's try to use var3 is with this statement or so. And this is the var3. var3 is with string 1 object with string 1, string object with string 1, and call the encode function of that object, the string object, and use the ASCII as the parameter. So basically we will encode this string object. So this will be same R with the var1. So let's prove it. I'm sorry. So let's retype the var3 statement again, and then now compare the var1 with the var3. As you can see, it will return true. So var1, this statement with this way of writing like this, and var3 with the way of a statement with the way of writing like this is basically the same. So B character, it means we'll be put the string after the B character to encoded ASCII, encoded byte string with ASCII table as the agreement or as the rule or format. So next we will try this different type of different statement. This will generate attribute error because that's the object string 1 here, in this case 1 is do not have the decode method, because the decode method is only is on by the string object, byte string object, not a string object. So this is string object, so string object do not have decode. Okay, so if we try we'll try the next statement. This also generate an error because B open quotes and 1 and close quote it means that we will make this string in this case 1 character 1 as a byte string using the encode using the ASCII table, but we already make this as byte string, and byte string object do not have encode, because encode is from string to byte string, and encode need a string, not a byte string. So the encode is not working on the byte string object, but encode work as in a string object. So the encode and decode in here is kinda twisted, interchanged. So encode must working with this string character, string object, and decode is working with this string byte string object. So, and the last thing, you can have a statement with this type way of writing, and the parsec will be the same as if you use this way of writing for one. So let's compare the parsec with for one. And they are true, it means the parsec is the same as for one. So that's how you can use byte b in front of any string character. It will generate a byte string with the ASCII table as the format. So now let's open the ASCII table and find the one string of one, and look for the byte coded. And here we have car1 here, and it will coded as 31 as hex. It means 00010 and 001 in binary. And let's see if we have a binary here, and so no, the ASCII only have hex and dec, but basically hex can be converted to binary, and the result will be, let's see, this is the one character is converted to hex 0031, and hex 31 converted to binary is 0010 and 0001. Okay, that's it. That's how you can use byte, and you can use byte, you can use b character in socket programming to send a converted string to byte string. Thank you very much for watching.